everyone, welcome back to STEM class with me Sheki. In this STEM class we will learn about science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Okay, so prepare your last week material and then also prepare the plastic given and also your solder and also glue gun. Okay, let's start. Okay, now let's make a rectangle. Measure 10 centimeter. 10 centimeter here. Okay, so this is 10 centimeter. And let's cut it. And actually, to make the diameter, you need to measure your eyes. It depends on your ice cube. For example, this is Miss Jackie's. The diameter is around 6 centimeter. So it always depends on your ice cube. Actually, if you make it bigger, it's better because just in case if you have a bigger ice cube in the future, you still can put it in. Okay, so it's around here. So take your tape. Make sure it's dry first. Just put the tape. Okay, now after you put the tape, make sure it's aligned. Do not put another tape because we will use glue gun here. For example, you do not have glue gun, it's okay for you to put tape, just like this. Shape like tube. Now make a hole as big as the tube. Make sure it's in the middle. Now take your solder. Okay, now please take your solder. Be careful your hand. You can ask for your parents' help. It's kind of cool that the smoke go inside of the jar. Make sure it is big enough. You can use scissors if you want, but it is easier to use solder. Okay, and it's done. Now take your plastic tube, put it in, okay, and then put glue gun around the hole. Okay, that's it for this week. Good job everyone! This is our project and we will finish it next week. Okay, see you everyone. Bye-bye!